description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And this is a variety, came by way of Ferengi from Australia, thank you very much. This is Vits Pan Mi Goreng Pedas, which means spicy fried, so it's a spicy fried noodle. This particular variety is Perisa Ayam Penyet, which basically means like smashed chicken. I think it's more like fried chicken. Maybe fried is, because there's Iga Penyet, right? So, I don't know. But it's going to be chicken-licious, that much I know. Ayam chicken. It's got a garnish, crispy shallot, a pasty base, and a powder. And for those of you who are absolute huge, massive, enormous fans of watching water boil and noodles do as they do when introduced to boiling water, that's what we got going right now. So last night we had the big State of the Union thing. That was odd. One guy got kicked out for, I think he was yelling at the president. That was a thing. And yeah, it was weird. So we watched it until we didn't. 2 hours of what have you, and now it's done. Looks like the tariffs are going to go away somewhat. Now, you know better than me about the future. This is coming out in July, and it is March. Whoa. It's March 5th right now, and what's funny, I write a little note to my wife every morning, and I go online and I type in what is today, and it gives me a list of the little kind of more fake holidays, like eat dark chocolate day, or things like that. And where was it going? Well, one of them today was, it wasn't Mardi Gras. It was for March, though. I can't remember what March is in French, but Mardi Gras? I don't know. But it was like, you're supposedly supposed to drink alcoholic beverages out of very tall glasses today, which I thought was weird. For today's one, for her, though, I went with... it was supposed to be National Cheese Doodle Day, so like Cheez-Its, and Multiple Personality Day. So I drew a picture of myself looking somewhat confused amongst a bunch of large Cheez-Its with different looks on their faces. So. But I do all these little pictures like first thing in the morning. Like I get up, take my vitamins, and then grab a pen and a sticky note and go on that. It's kind of fun. You should try it. Odd way to wake up, but kind of gets all your cylinders firing in a way. But yeah. It was sunny, now it's cloudy. And I'm really looking forward to trying this one. This one sounds really good. So that means it's time to drain our noodle. Okay. Let's do that and see what happens. All right. So I'm gonna do this up all fancy as usual, but I want it to look a little nice. What the hell is that? It's like somebody left a, like put a booger on my coffee stand thing here deal. Anyway, it wasn't me. So let's add the goo. That is the first step, is the addition of goo. It's funny, yesterday I did something that, of the 3 that I was doing, I did this one first that was from Malaysia, and it was really good. So I ended up, you know, eating it. And I was going to do a mukbang for the 3rd one, which I still might do. The company that sent me the 3rd one sent a bunch of them, so I could still do that. But it was like, I'm not doing a mukbang, I already ate one. So this is the garnish. I don't want to add that in yet. Here we go. Add in the powder. And give it a vicious combining. Mix well. So yeah, this is Malaysian. They have mee goreng in Malaysia. It's not always Indonesian. There's also mee rebus, which is like a saucy version of mee goreng. Like really saucy. Mee goreng just means fried noodle, so it's kind of like pad thai just means Thai noodle. Alright. And here is our fried noodle. Obviously it's wider. Pan mee tends to be wider a lot of the time. And let's give it a try. Very tangy. Nice sambal to it. Interesting. I think I like it. Unsure. It almost seems like really tomatoey. I guess I should remove the almost. I mean, it does seem very tomato to me. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this thing. Like, what are you doing with the cup, noodle guy person? You'll see. You'll see. You will see. And we got to the side for a second. We're gonna grab our dispatula. I usually do this last, but I have a feeling this is the right way to go today. Insofar as what I'm doing right now with this and stuff. Okay. Violent, huh? Yeah, a little bit violent. But look. See? Then we have our garnishing. And I think the only way to do this is just like I try to like make everything well rounded on the plate. This is fried shallot, ladies and gentlemen. And then we have, let's see, I'm gonna do a little bit of seed. Just a touch. A little crushed pepper. I wish I had some, I was telling my wife, I was like, I wish I had some fried chicken, because that would like work so well with this, but I really am not keen on spending more money at the dreaded local grocery store. I do have some basil though. I'm just gonna add some basil right there. And there is your very not balanced looking plate. Well, what if I went like that? I can live with that. Yeah, I can live with that. All right, you sit there and watch that go around in circles. Alright, well thanks for watching. The next one you're going to see is this new one, at least it's new to me, from Nong Shim. This is Nong Shim Sun tofu noodles. This can be either microwaved or steeped, and I've decided today I'm going to steep it. I just want to see how well it comes out. Honestly, I don't think microwaving tofu is really all that great of an idea, but I guess we'll see what happens. And hey, like, subscribe, all that crap. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Back in front of City Hall, concrete drawings, it's fun to use chalk to scrawl. Late summer, almost fall, in Kenmore.